Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Melissa at ABC Academy. Well, I'm not at ABC Academy today. I'm in my own kitchen. And today I thought we could make peanut butter cookies. I love peanut butter and I know our center is peanut free, but for those of you that can eat peanut butter, this is a really easy recipe. It only takes 1, 2, 3 ingredients. We have sugar in a bowl, which is 1 cup of sugar. The next ingredient is a cup of peanut butter. I'm going to put that in the bowl. And 1 egg is the next ingredient. So a cup of sugar, a cup of peanut butter, and 1 egg. Let's crack that and put that in our bowl. There we go. We're going to mix that all up in our bowl here. Make sure everything gets mixed up really well. You don't want any egg showing. And while I'm mixing this, I wanted to tell you that I am missing you guys so much. I have been thinking about all of the children that go to ABC Academy and wondering what everyone has been doing. Okay, now we have our mixture all set up in the bowl. The next thing we're going to do is you've got to take another bowl and put just a little bit of sugar in it. That's going to coat our peanut butter balls to make our cookies. So you take a little bit of peanut butter, you roll it into your hand just gently to make a little ball. Then you dip it in the peanut butter, not the peanut butter, the sugar. Dip it in the sugar. And then you're going to place it on the tray. And I did that already. I have some placed on the tray. And then you're going to take a fork and you're just going to press it down kind of in a crisscross. Just like that on all of your peanut butter balls after you dip them in the sugar. You're going to set your oven at 350. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's at 350 degrees. And you're going to put the cookies in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. I made some yesterday that came out just right. So you can use creamy peanut butter or crunchy peanut butter. I used crunchy yesterday and I'm using creamy today. So tell me what you think. Hopefully you'll be able to try them, and when I see you next, you can tell me if they were good, they were not good, or if they were okay. I thought they were tasty because I love peanut butter. Until next time, bye.